Hello, it's Rob here and welcome to another little review video. The other day Mark was sent a couple of these RC battery soldering clamps from a friend called Jess and asked if I wanted one to give it a bit of a review. So basically it's a couple of bits of aluminium, and I'm not sure, I think these black bits might also be aluminium. We've got adjusters here, and it takes, according to this, XT60 male and females, XT90 male and females, T-type and mini Ts. Now unfortunately I've only got, I think this is the male T connector at my disposal at the minute, but hey, that's enough for show you. And then we've got some bullet connectors, male and female, and they can slot in like so. So to begin with, we'll try the male T connector. As you can see, it fits in and it's quite loose, but we can clamp it together and then tighten up these screws here, if you know what I mean, but you can tighten it up so that it grips it really tightly, and we're then ready to solder on. I've got a few bits of wire here just to show you the test, or show you how it works. We get our soldering iron as usual, we tin it a bit to start with, then we can put it on the actual connector and pop some solder on, and then we can pop the cable on and hold it on. As you can tell, I've pre-soldered these wires, and there we go, a few seconds and that's on. I'm liking this already, so we'll leave that in there, and we'll try a bullet connector. It looks like I've already pre-soldered these, so again we can take a cable or wire, clean the soldering tip off, pop a bit of solder on, just helps to get the solder flowing. And then you might not be able to see here, but there is actually a hole in these connectors which is filled up with solder now, and that's what I'm going to aim for on this one here, and then we can hold it there, and you can see that the solder's started to melt, so we can pop that in like so, and hey presto, that's that connected. And obviously I'm not being funny, but if I was doing this properly I would have cut that down so that the insulation almost touches the connector. And then for, oops, don't want to burn myself, for the Tamiya one, the male ones fit in the smallest hole here, but word of warning, if you do use this for Tamiyas, there are prongs on the side here which hold the connector into the plastic once you push it in, so don't push it in too far. And again we can put a dab of solder on, get one of my cables, pop it in, starts to melt really quickly. Ooh. And there we go. So there we have it, a quick demo of this RC battery connector soldering clamp with lots of holes for various sizes of bullet connectors on the sides as well. So thank you very much, Jess. It's much appreciated. I will use this quite a lot in the coming months, I'm sure. So with that, I hope you've enjoyed watching, and look forward to seeing you on the next one. Cheers, bye.